Sai Ram students. So students, in the last session we revised chapter 2 number work. So today we'll just have a look at what type of questions will be coming in the unit test related to chapter 2. Right? So let's start. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. So what you are going to do? 3 options will be given. You have to choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. So 7,32,605 is written in figures as, so 3 options: 732,650, 723,605 and 732,605. These are the 3 options. So out of these 3 options, you have to select the correct one. Now, how will you think? So what is the first part, children? 7 lakh. So you can see 7 lakh, it is there in all the 3 options, right? Next is 32,000. So you can see where is 32? 32 is here, 32 is also here, right? So in the first and the third option. Next is what? 600. So you can see 6 is here also and 6 is here also. And 5. That means tens place is not there. Directly units place is given. So tens place will be 0 and units place it will be 5. So where is tens place? 0 is there in the third option and units place is also 5. So your answer is 7,32,605. So you will select your answer as the third option. Right, children? So children, well, before doing this, you have to take a rough paper aside, and you can do it also in the rough paper, and then select your correct answer in the screen, right? So let's move to the second one. 6150018 is a dash digit number. So 3 options are given: 6, 7 and 5. So you have to identify the number which is given. It is how many digits. So what you will do? You will count how many digits it is. So children, count it how many digits it is. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's a 7-digit number. So after counting, you understand that it's a 7-digit number. You will select it as 7, right? So let's move to the third one. 39,06,105 is written in figures as dash. So the options given are 39,60,150, 30,96,105 and 39,06,105. So now what you will do? First you see whether all the digits are of the same. All the numbers are of the same digits? Yes, all the numbers are of the same digits. So what you will do? 39 lakh. So first find out where is 39 lakh. So you can see here, children, 39 lakh is in the first option and also in the second option. Next is what? 6,000. So find out where is 6,000. So once you see 6,000, means 10,000 is not there in this number. So if you see in this one, there is a 10,000, that is 6, right? So that will not be your answer. So 6,000 is where? In the third option, right? 105. So 105 is already there in the third option. So you will select third one as your option, right? Or else what you can do, in your rough paper, you can directly write 39 lakh, then 6,000. So 06 and then 100. So 105. So 105. So that answer, whatever you get, you just find out in these options and then select it, right? So let's move to the next one. Select the correct option, true or false. So you know, children, true or false. So you have to just select what is true and what is false, right? So the first one is, the biggest 7-digit number is 1000 and then 3 zeros. So you have to say whether it is true or false. So it is 10 lakh, right children? So is it the biggest 7-digit number is 10 lakh? No, na? The biggest 7-digit number will be something different, right? So this 10 lakh, it is a smallest 7-digit number, right? So whatever the question is given, that is false. So you will select false as your option, right? Next, let's go to the next one. The number 6,87,223 is bigger than 87,223. So children, as I told you, this is a so you have to select whether it is true or false. So you can see children, here there is one number and here there is one number, right? So it's a comparison. So first you see how many digits both are. So the first number which is there, it is how many digits? 6 digits. And the number which is below 87,223, it is a 5 digit. So obviously 6 digit is a greater number. So the number 6,87,223, it is bigger than 87,223. So your answer will be true. So you will select the true as the option. So let's move to the next one. Choose the correct alternative. So now here 4 options are given, and from these 4 options you are going to select any one. That is, one will be the correct answer. So what is given? The first one, complete the expansion for the number 988 and then 3 times 8. So what is given? 9,88,888. So the number's expanded form is given. So what is it? First is what? It is 9 lakh, right? Next is 80,000 and the other one is 8,000, and now plus dash is given. So you have to find out what number will come over here, and then 80 and 8. So you can see here the number, right? So you start from your right hand side. 8 is in the units place, so already units place it is given over here. Next 8 is in the tens place, so that is also given over here. Next 8 is in the hundreds place, so what will come? 800, right? So out of these 4 options, 800 is your correct answer. So right children, you can also do this rough work in your paper which you have kept aside, and whatever answer you get, you can directly select it over here, right children? So let's move to the next one. The expanded form of the number 51,807 is, right? So 51,807 is the number. Its expansion form is given in 4 different options. So you have to select the correct one. Now what you do? You write the expanded form of it on the rough paper, or else you can do it mentally also. So how will you do it mentally? So 7 in the units place, 0 in the tens place, 8 in the hundreds place, 1 in the thousands place, and 5 in the 10,000s place. So 5 in the 10,000s place means it will be 50,000. So select, find out where you can see 50,000. First option it is not there, go to the second option. Second option 50,000 is there, yes. Then, and where it is? In the last option also it is 50,000. Then, so you found out 50,000. There are 2 answers now. Now go to the next number, 1. 1 is in the thousands place. So can you see here 1,000? No, right? You can see 1,000 over here. So this answer is correct, right? But just check whether further it is correct or not. 8 is in which place? Hundreds place. So you can see 800 is given, yes. Next is what? 0. So 0 is there, yes. And what is the next number? 7. So 7 is there. Yes, 7 is also there. So that means your fourth option is correct. So you can select the fourth one, right? That is your answer. Now let's go to the next one. The largest 7-digit number that can be formed by using the digits 0, 9, 3, 5, 7, 1, 4 only once is, and they have given you 4 options. So you have to make a 7-digit number by using these digits 0, 9, 3, 5, 7, 1 and 4, and it should be a largest one, right? So first check whether the options which are given all are of 7 digit. Yes, all are of 7 digits, right? So now we will try to make the number which is the largest. So first what will come out of 0, 9, 3, 5, 7, 1, 4. 9 is the greatest number. So you'll write 9, right? This you are doing it on your rough paper, right? Then which is the next number after 9? 9, after 9 it is 7. So you will write 7. After 7, which is the next number? 5. So you will write 5. Now, which is the next number? 4. So you will write 4. Then after 4, which number is there? 3. So you will write 3. Then 1. And then you will write it as 0. So now you check whether all are 7 digit. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all are 7 digits. Now check where is this answer? 9, 7, 5, 4, 3, 1, 0. Can you see anywhere? 9, 7, 5, 4, 3, 1, 0. Yes, it is there in the first option. So you got your answer as 97 lakh 54,310. That is the largest 7-digit number. So I hope students you are understanding how to do it. Now let's move to the next one. The place value of 4 in the number 4 crore 67 lakh 13,223 is. Again they have given you 4 options, right? So you have to select the right one. Now first you see where on which place the number 4 is there. So start counting from your right hand side. So 3 in the units place, then 2 in the tens place, 2 in the hundreds place, 3 in the thousands place, 1 in the 10,000s place, 7 in the lakhs place, 6 in the 10 lakhs place, and 4 is in the crores place. So your place value is of 4 crores. So now you have to find out from these 4 options where is 4 crore. Now just find out where is 4 crore. So where is it? First you will have to see. Now this is last option is 40,000, right? So go to the second option or start from your first. So it is 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So it is 40 lakh. So that is not your answer. Go to the next number, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. It is 4 lakh, right? So that is also not your option. Go to the third one, units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Yes, you got your answer. It is 4 crore. So this is the way you will select your answer, right children? Let's go to the next one. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So 4 numbers are given that you have to arrange in the ascending order. 3454, 3545, 3534 and 3387. So children, you know what is ascending order, right? From the smallest to the largest, right? So now these 4 numbers you will arrange from the smallest to the largest. So what you will do? So first find out all are of the same digits. Yes, all are of the 4-digit number, right? Now just see whether the first digit of all the numbers is the same. Yes, all the first digit of all the numbers are the same, that is 3, right? So now go to the second number, right? Of all the digits, second number, here it is 4, here it is 5, here also it is 5, and here it is 3. So in all the digits, which number is the smaller one? 3, right? So first you will write 3387. Also you write down that it is a fourth one, right? Now out of the second digit, which was the uh, next number after 3 is 4. So what will you write? 3454. So that will be your first one. Okay, right. Now remaining are the two digits. Now both over there it is 5 and 5. So you cannot decide. So you go to the third digit of both the numbers. What is the third digit? Here it is 4 and here it is 3. So 3 is smaller than 4. So what will you write? 3534. So you will write the third option, right? And then last will come as 3545. So you will write here as 2. So now you see here which number first was fourth. So in these options, where is 4? Yes, 4 is here. Then what was your answer? 1. 1 is there? Yes, 1 is also there. Next you go to 3. 3 is there? Yes, 3 is also over here. And last was your 2. So 2 is also here. So you have found out your answer. So you will select this as your answer. Right, children? Now let's go to the next one. The place name of 2 in the number 4 crore 59 lakh 75,247 is. Again they have given 4 options: units, tens, 100 and 1000. So you have to find out the place name of 2. Now where is 2 over here? Here it is, right? So 7 is in the units place, 4 is in the tens place, and 2 is in the hundreds place. So you will select 100 as your option, right? So let's move to the next one. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. So 4 numbers are given. You have to arrange it in descending order. 98 3 times 0 1, 99800, 980010, and 980100. So these are the 4 numbers. Now children, what is descending? Descending means bigger number to the smaller number, right? So what we'll do, we'll see all the 4 numbers which are given, they are of the same digits. So let's see whether they are of the same digits. Count it and see. So 3 4 5 6 digit it is, but here it is 5 digit, and rest all are 6 digits, right? So last option will be your 2. So you write it as 2. Now, so out of the 3 numbers, that is 1, 3 and 4, you have to find out which is the largest one. So we'll start from our left hand side of, we'll start with the first digit of all the 3 numbers. What is the first digit? 9. Here also 9, here also 9. So you cannot decide. Let's go to the next one. Next one is 8. Here also 8 and here also 8. Again you cannot decide. Now go to the third number. What is the third number? Is 0. Here also it is 0 and here also it is 0. Again you cannot decide. Go to the fourth number. What is the fourth number? 0, right? And here what is the fourth number? 1. And here what is the fourth number? Again 0, right? So 0 is smaller than 1, right? 1 is greater than 0. So your first number you got, it is fourth one, right? That is 980100 is your larger number. Now you will decide between the 2 numbers, that is 1 and 3, right? So we had done till the 4th digit. Let's move to the 5th digit. What is there? 0. And here the fifth digit is what? 1. So again 1 is greater than 0. So your second largest number will be 3. So you will write it as 3. And the next number will come as 1. And the last number was your 5-digit number. So that you have already written in the last. So now check where are these options: 4, 3, 1 and 2. So find out where is 4, 3, 1 and 2. Right here it is 4, 3, 1 and 2. And then you select your answer. Right? So in this way, children, you are going to solve the paper. Right? You can keep a rough paper aside and do the whatever rough work you want to do. You can do it over there, and just on the screen also you can just select the answer. Right? So don't be in a hurry to just select the answer and submit submit your paper. So think carefully what will be the option, try solve it on your rough paper, and then only you see whatever answer you have checked corrected, that only answer you have selected or not. Right, children? So with this way you will be able to easily solve the paper. So children, wish you all the best for your unit test paper and do it well. So we'll meet in the next session. Till then, goodbye.